Adenium obesum is a distinctive and eye-catching plant with thick, bulbous stems, glossy green leaves, and stunning trumpet-shaped flowers. While it has the graceful look of a houseplant, its ability to thrive in harsh, desert-like conditions speaks to its true nature as a hardy succulent. This resilience is native to the Sahel regions south of the Sahara, spanning from Mauritania and Senegal to Sudan, as well as tropical and subtropical eastern and southern Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. Adenium obesum is also called desert rose, which has been cultivated for centuries and remains a favorite among gardeners and houseplant enthusiasts alike. Good morning everyone. I have here adenium seedlings which I prefer to grow as bonsai. Adenium plants, which are also called desert rose, are mostly preferred by gardeners because of their stunning beauty, which is a standout in the center of most of the gardens. These are what I'm going to need in making a adenium bonsai. I need tapes, a sharp cutter, and a scissor. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very sorry if it is very noisy in our garden. I just don't know why whenever I am vlogging, these noises appear as if they want to be included in my vlogs. Sometimes I'm thinking that maybe they want to be the subjects of my videos. I also need pots where I could replant the bonsai that I am trying to make. These are the adenium seedlings which I have plucked from their former garden pots. I have cleaned the seedlings so that the roots are now very visible. When the seedlings are already cleaned, I remove the unnecessary roots, and I also cut the upper part that will pave the way for the sprouting of the new stems or trunks. Then I transferred the adenium seedlings to the new pots that I bought. This is now how they look like. I am now going to wait until the new trunks or stems sprout at the tip of the cuttings. I will watch how these plants will grow and develop into real bonsais. This is the update of the adenium bonsai after 1 week. All of them have developed new stems with leaves. Muli po ay ipinaabot ko sa inyo ang aking labis-labis na pasasalamat sa patuloy ninyong pagtitiyaga dito sa aking mga videos. Napakalaki pong tulong ng inyong ginagawang panonood, pagla-like, pagsishare, pagko-comment, at siyempre ang inyong subscribe dito sa aking video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.